Hello everyone, how to do the back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Puffin cloud browser in your smartphone and iPhone. So this is really gonna short and easy tutorial for you. Just watch the video till end, then you'll learn how to do this. We need to go Google Play Store if you're an Android user, and you have to go App Store if you're a iPhone user. Then search here the browser name. It's called browser Puffin cloud browser. So simply click on that. You can see Puffin cloud browser, and the rating of the 3.4 and 779k reviews and 50 million plus already downloaded this app. And you will get some feature here, like it's it's so fast, light, and many people use this app. And there are some ratings here, you can also check. So simply click install, and it takes few time to install in your device. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.